And a couple of invites this time coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Karamiya, two Pinoy classics we grew up with in mini cakes you'll love to share or keep for yourself. I'm kind of leaning more on keeping it for for myself. Okay? Are you Team Ube or Team Strawberry? Alin sa dalawa? Pili ka, ha? Yan lang yon. Team Ube or Strawberry, Pinoy Classics at Karamiya at the ground level, SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And Chowking, sulit-ulitin deals, 99 pesos lang. New look, same sulit, mas masarap. Grab our new and improved Chowking meals for only 99 with weekly sulit-ulitin deals 2.0. Level up ang weekday cravings. Chowking is at SM City Olongapo Downtown, the ground level. And also check out the Big Bad Wolf books. All right. Their next stop is Olongapo City. And they will be at the SMX Convention Center, Olongapo, September 19 to 28. So all of you bookies, yung mga mahilig sa book lovers. All right, check it out. SMX Convention Center, Olongapo. The Big Bad Wolf opens its hunting grounds in Olongapo. Share and win merch and VIP passes as well, okay, for September 2025. Shop and Win promo is up until today na lang. I hope nakahabol kayo, ha. Yung Shop and Win promo ngayon na lang to eh. Natapos na today. Alright? QQ Ramen is now open at the level 3 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check it out. Towns of the month for September, Cabangan and Iba. If you're from Cabangan and Iba, just present your ID and get exclusive discounts from participating tenants at SM City Olongapo Central. And the best gift for the holidays, of course, the SM Gift Pass, a gift for you. SM gift card in different denominations. Get them now at your nearest SM store customer service. And the SM Food Fest is happening for all days of September. Don't forget, September 1 to 30. Naku, ang sasarap ng mga naka-display dito. Nakita ko kanina. Check out the food treats, the food markets, Foodie Snaps Village, and Eats and Beats at all SM Supermalls Food Fest, September 1 to 30. Our Home pre-holiday sale up to 80% off plus additional 10% off for all days of September. Great designs, great pieces. Visit Our Home, third level SM Central. And the company of the month is Dash and Shoes. If you work at Dash and Shoes, present your ID at SM Downtown and get exclusive deals and discounts from participating tenants September 1 to 30. And also ongoing is the this one's done already. All right. The Super Spelling Bee will be happening September 20, Saturday, 10 a.m. ground level. Launch your spelling skills, register now. And win laptops and school supplies, college scholarships, up to 50K grand prize. Wow, all right. And also the International Coastal Cleanup by SM Central and SM Downtown will be happening September 20, Saturday, 7 a.m. at the Kalaklan Parola. Let's unite for a waste-free future. Vibes Massage presents parking treats. Present your same-day parking ticket and get exclusive discounts at any of our massage services. All-day 20% discount on all services also. Vibes Massage at Level 3 SM Downtown. And pay your government bills. Proceed to second floor near stationary bills payment counter. Alright? Yung mga bills ninyo for SSS, LTO, NBI, and a whole lot more. Second floor of SM City Olongapo Downtown. The payment center there is waiting for you. Okay. There you have it, our invites from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Oh, I wanna thank nga pala yung mga jumoin sa amin kagabi ha. Not kagabi, I'm sorry. Last Saturday, I mean, sa Acapella Cafe. Thank you so much. Join us every Saturday. We do stand-up comedy. Kasama ko yung mga crew ng Zamba Mike. Z-A-M-B-A Mike. Zamba Mike. Some of them were at the fun run of Subic Bay Half Marathon. Thank you for dropping by. Yan. Have fun every Saturday. Libre lang to. Libre lang. Punta lang kayo. Okay? In Burgos Street, Barangay Wawandwe in Subic, Zambales. Malapit lang siya sa malapit lang sa munisipyo ng Subic Town. Pagbaba mo ng Subic Municipal Hall, yan, Subic Town Municipal Hall ang ibig ko sabihin. Pagbaba mo doon, may katabing gas station, di ba? Yung harap ng gas station, may maliit na street. That's Burgos Street. Pasok lang kayo doon. Yun, Acapella is there. Okay? Acapella Cafe. Alright? So, we do this every Saturday. Kung gusto nyo mong jumoin, gusto nyo rin mag-stand-up comedy, gusto nyo kumanta, pwede rin. Gusto nyo mag-poetry. Poetry reading. We got poets joining us every Saturday. Magagaling na mga manunula kasama namin tuwing Sabado. Okay? So, join kayo ha. Every Saturday, we will be having one ulit. This coming Saturday, 8 p.m. See you there. Acapella Cafe in Subic Town. Alright? Alright. I just remembered, may nag-share ng joke sa akin para speaking of stand-up comedy daw, sabing gano'n. Ay, DJ, ano ang tawag sa mga babaeng nasa relasyon? Kung saan nananalo ang lalaki lagi sa away nila. Ano yun? Naguluhan ako Pinagulo mo yung message mo eh. Simply, ang tanong niya, ano daw yung tawag doon sa relasyon? Kung sa relasyon na yun, laging nananalo yung lalaki sa mga away argumento. Ano tawag doon? Abusive relationship. Porket nananalo yung lalaki, abusive relationship na. Hi DJ, anong paboritong internet browser ng mga pari? Safari. Safari browser. Okay, eto, meron pang Yun daw mga drunk driver should have their own lane. Masikip na, saan pa ilalagay yun? Drunk driver shouldn't drive if you're drunk. Sabi nito, masarap palang nakakompliment ng misis. Kasi yung mga lalaki daw, hindi naman usually nakakompliment. Sabi niya, binigay ko kasi yung mga request ni Mahal. Kinompliment niya ako. Sabi niya, uy, ang pogi-pogi niyan. Anong gusto mo? Sabi niya. Sumagot daw siya, gusto ko sana ng... mamaya. Nang masarap na dinner. Kayo naman, May nag-share ng kwento, yung babae, asawa niya, gynecologist na mahirap daw mapangasawa ang gynecologist na lalaki. Kumbaga, yung sexy time nila halos nawawala na eh. Lagi daw pag uwi ni Mister, walang gana sa kanya. So, tinanong niya kung bakit parang nag-hesitant pa magpaliwanag yung Mister niya nung una eh. Sabi, ganito, let's put it this way, sabi niya. Kunyari, nagtatrabaho ka sa paggawaan ng cup. Wala kang ginawa araw-araw kundi cup ng cup. Gumagawa ka ng cup. Kaharap mo cup araw-araw. Pag uwi mo ng bahay at cup pa rin yung makikita mo, nakakakulo ng dugo. Kaya yun, no pansin siya. Kawawa naman. No. Nagets nyo? Gets nyo? Relate nyo. Tapos ito sabi nito, may nag-share ng joke, sabi niya. Ano daw yung tinanong daw yung bata. Ano daw yung unang parte ng katawan ng tao na napupunta sa langit? Sumagot yung kapatid niyang babae. Sabi ng kapatid niyang babae, kamay po. Bakit? Sabing gano'n. Kasi di ba pag nagpipray tayo, we lift our hands to heaven, umaangat, di ba? Kamay. Oh, that's a good answer, sabi. Okay. So, yung lalaki naman na bata, sumagot. Mga lalaki talaga, oh. Sa tingin ko po paa, sabi nung batang lalaki. Bakit mo nasabing paa? Kasi kagabi nakita ko si mami, nakataas yung 2 paa. Sabi niya, oh my God, oh my God. Sabi niya, buti na lang dinaganan siya ni daddy para hindi siya umangat papuntang langit. We will have more of that on Saturday at Acapella Cafe. So you guys join us sa Acapella Cafe, ha? Sama kayo. Saturday, 8 p.m. Stand-up comedy, poetry reading, ano pa ba? And what else? Pwede rin mag-storytelling, pwede rin mag-share ng stories, and a whole lot more. Hi kay Ate Sheila Seralde. Ano yun? Lang niya ang pagkabasa ko, masayang pakikilig. Bakit? Nakakapagpakilig pa ba ako at my age? Okay. Shoutout din kay Kuyang Milbert Adlawan. Ayan. Happy listening to you. Mary Grace, Francis Mercado, si Madam Cheat Ramos. Ayan. Happy listening. Also to Ate Estherlita Tagas Beha, Ronald Andrade, Kuya Wesley Sewell from Prescott Valley, Arizona, USA. Paring Robert Contreras. At saka si Kuya Jonas Reyes. Ayan. Kamusta ka na, Kuya Jonas Reyes? I hope you're doing fine. And also si DJ Siego. Siego Gandaka. Uy, may atraso pa ako kay DJ Siego. Naku, sorry ha. Na-busy ako masyado. Alam mo naman, kali-kaliwa yung ating mga event. Pasensya na. May utang pa ako sa'yo. Pero yeah. Magbabayad ako, don't worry. Magbabayad din to. Makakabayad din ako. Okay, I guess that's about it. Thank you so much for joining me. Catch me again tomorrow. Kita-kits tayo. Kung nabitin kayo, tuloy natin itong bukas, ha? Kayo rin, habang wala pa yung bukas, ngayon pa lang, ipasa nyo na yung joke nyo. Gagamitin natin yan dito sa Radyo Bandera. We will air it on Radyo Bandera. And then, additional plus, I will acknowledge you, syempre. Yeah. If you want your name to be mentioned, kailangan let me know, okay? And, I will also read your jokes at Acapella Cafe. Oh, deal? Deal. So see you again tomorrow, 7 p.m. Only here at Radyo Bandera, 107.1 News FM, Olongapo. Bye for now. And here's my final song for you guys. This is the song from Olivia Newton-John, OST from the Grease movie. You know, alam niyo yung Grease? Yung mga younger generation, hindi na familiar, no? Kami sa amin, ang Grease, yan yung High School Musical namin noon. This is Hopelessly Devoted to You. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here.